Ain't no heartaches going around this town. Hard to take in, seeing the city lights. Let's go down and I see you. See you. You keep coming back to me again. I can see through you. I can see through you. Yeah. On the borderline. On the borderline. On the borderline. See through you. I can see through you. Yeah. One by one, watching row by row. My sweet tender, loving soul. You're just falling down on you. I can see through you. I can see through you. On the borderline. On the borderline. Sweet love and soul. On the borderline. I can see through you. On the borderline. I can see through you. I can see through you. I can see.
Shout out to Scott Norris for that song, On the Borderline. I thought that was a good song because Canntrust is kind of on the borderline. Borderline bankruptcy. But despite that, on April 15th, Canntrust got delisted onto the OTC markets under the symbol OCT. What's the symbol again? CNTTQ on the OTC markets at 2 cents. 2 cents. Canntrust was worth 2 cents. Despite the fact that they had 140 million buckaroos in the bank, they were worth 2 cents. And what are they worth today, folks? Are they higher than 2 cents? Are they higher than 2 cents? Because last time I looked, Canntrust is at 54 cents, up 42%, and nobody's talking about it? Every single day since it went back down to 2 cents, it has been doing some crazy moves, and it is up over 2,000% since April 15th. That's right. Canntrust is up over 2,000% since April 15th. It's now at 52 cents. It was at 2 cents. So in order for you to make 10 times your money, you could have bought at 2 cents and sold at 20 cents and made 10 times your money. Well, you could have doubled from there and made 20 times your money if you sold at 40 cents. We're at 52 cents. The way it's going to hit 60. That would be up 3,000%. 30 times your money. That's right. So if you bought $1,000 worth of Canntrust 2 weeks ago at 2 cents, you're up big. I just put it that way. You're up big. You're up big. But yeah, nobody wants to talk about it. It's up 2,000%, and nobody wants to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it right here, right now. Did they hit circuit breakers? What's up, Pluto? Peter says, hey, Rich, just popped in to say hi. Did well on Forex today. Later, bro. Hey, man. Peter, you've been killing it, man. You had a personal best day today? That's pretty crazy because I know your personal best day on Friday was $4,000. So I'm almost scared to ask you how much you made today. Not scared, but excited. But happy for you, brother, man. Keep pushing, bro. Keep pushing, man. It's right there for you. It's right there for the taking. And you smashed the like. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, brother. Respect. Peter is one of our new members in the academy who's just killing it. Just killing it. Jeff Nowak says, Rich, cannabis stocks on fire, the whole sector. Yeah, I mean, it's finally here. I mean, we found the bottom and the cannabis stocks are starting to make a move. So hopefully this can continue. Hopefully it's not some type of fake out and it goes back down because we've had too many of those. We need to see this momentum continue. Precious BTC says, it won't let me buy or sell. Canntrust? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Can you guys buy this? I haven't even tried, but can you guys buy Canntrust? It seems like you can. Somebody's buying it. Patrick says, just bought some this morning, Rich. How you doing? You bought some Canntrust this morning? Infinite Possibility says, remember that 50% of a stock dropping is the overall market. Patrick Schreiber says, Cureleaf up every day, little by little. I like Cureleaf. They're a good play too. Pekka says, it is halted. Not in America. It's not halted in America. In America, it's trading. CNTTQ is up 38%. It's traded 3.87 million shares. And it was delisted, and it is a reporting issuer on the OTC markets now. It opened up at 12 cents on April 15th, and it's now at 52.5 cents, up 38% today, up over 2,000% since it got delisted. So it is trading in America. Dr. Sithu says, crude view, please. Oh, man. The oil prices is a sad situation. Jobs are being lost. Companies are going to go bankrupt if we don't get the price of oil between $50 to $60 a barrel due to political posturing. We are in now a serious issue with oil in the world, and due to the fact that we're in a coronavirus pandemic and the whole world isn't moving, the whole world is in quarantine. Due to all of this, it's messed up oil, guys. Oil's messed up. So oil just has turned into a little bit of a nightmare. I do believe there will be buying opportunities. I just think that it'll be a little while before we can see a turnaround. I hope that's not the case. I pray for some type of a miracle, but right now it's very concerning what's happening with oil. Patrick says, Forex. Hell yeah. Pat is buying, yes. So Patrick, you're having no problems buying Canntrust? That's what I'm saying. So I don't know why people are saying, Patrick's saying, no, trading it right now, Canntrust. So apparently you can buy it in the US, guys. Pistol Pete says, this is smelling fishy, Rich. Haha, you know what that means. What, the Canntrust move? I think that that's a company with 140 million in the bank, got delisted, and it seems as though they've got a plan. And they don't believe that they're worth 2 cents, and that's why the price is going up. Infinite Possibility says, I'm excited with these prices, going shopping like a boss. Yeah, just be careful. Jeff Noack says CNTTQ has over 4 million shares sold already today. So yeah, it's clearly trading. Is anybody else trading Canntrust right now, which is up over 2,000% since April 15th? Secretly, nobody's talking about it. Patrick says, yes, buying more now. So apparently you can buy it in the US, guys, CNTTQ, and it has been screaming. Luke says, can win them all. That's not what we do here, right? Isn't that what we do, right? We try to identify the best opportunities every single day and create exposure for them, create awareness for them. AYTU is also making a huge move today. Take a look at quite a few stocks every single day. So right now, Valens is actually up 6%. Tilt is up 12%. AYTU is up 33%. Canntrust, CNTTQ up 44%. Afria up 6%. Halo Labs up 6%. Snapchat up 5%. Snapchat's moving nicely, guys. The Horizons HMMJ ETF up around 5%. OPK up 4%. BEX up 4.5%. Sunoco up 2.7%. I think Sunoco is a good price right now. MasterCard's up just under 2%. Visa's up just under 2%. MetaPharm Labs is up 1%. What else? Oh, wasn't Namaste up today? I thought I saw Namaste up big today. Namaste up 15%. Oh, 12%. 12% for Namaste now. Big green candle buying there for Namaste. More than double the daily average of volume for Namaste. So big day, guys. I mean, for a lot of stocks, big day. And Canntrust just keeps doing it, but nobody knows. So that's why I'm here to tell you guys. I mean, that's why you guys watch Rich TV Live, right? I like to bring you guys everything before it happens. So right now, the Dow Jones is up 1.3% or 314 basis points. We're now at 24,000 Dow. S&P 500 up 1.3%, 38 basis points. The NASDAQ up 1%, 87 basis points. The global Dow up 1.83%, 46 basis points. So right now, shorter's getting just annihilated. And I'm looking for a pullback on gold because I think gold is going to scream. And I'm also looking to get into some oil plays because I think oil is going to scream too. But do not buy the oil ETFs. They're hugely risky. And the oil ETF just got redeemed. So I pretty much just got screwed on my oil investment, which was about $7,000. And I have no idea what it's going to be worth now. So we'll see how that turns out. But that was pretty messed up. That was the first time that's ever happened to me with an ETF. So definitely a learning experience, not a very good learning experience, but I'm a big boy. I'll come back from it. You win some, you lose some when you trade. But I feel like making it back with some like Sunoco and some Suncor. So I'm thinking about buying a little bit of that actually to make it all back and then some. Because I'm actually very bullish on oil and gold. Suncor. Yeah, Suncor. Yeah, Suncor. Big fan of Suncor. Huge fan of Suncor. Hey, man, if you guys like to smash, you know what to do when you walk in the room, man. You got to smash it. There's only one guy that tells you to smash it every day, and that's your boy. And when you walk in the room, you must smash. You must smash when you enter in the room. It is a prerequisite when you enter into this room. You're going to find winners in this room. It's guaranteed. The question is, do you smash? And if you don't smash, the real question is why. Now, you might have a very good answer why you don't smash. And there may be a lot of things in your life that you're not smashing. But you make sure when you enter into this room, you smash. It's a prerequisite. And I promise you, I will continue to bring you winners and bring you the biggest news every single day and bring you a place where you'll have a voice, where you can come and you can talk about it every single day. Every single day. I wouldn't want to be a shorter right now because I think a lot of shorters are getting squeezed. I mean, the market's been going up for weeks and it's up again today. So last time I looked, the 18K Dow is now a 24K Dow. So anybody who was shorting at 18K has just been completely annihilated. Completely annihilated. AYTU is going to be on Joe Rogan today? What? Really? Patrick says, that's it. You call them AYTU. Hey, man, that's what we do, bro. Stay tuned. We'll keep calling them, man. I promise you that. Yeah, no, I know it's not trading in Canada. It's trading in the US, Canntrust. What are my thoughts on BAM? I think it's pretty good. I think BAM's pretty good. No, TRST got delisted. They have a new symbol now. Canntrust got delisted. They have a new symbol now, CNTTQ. That's their new symbol. Oil's at $13. Crazy, crazy, crazy prices for oil. Crazy prices for oil. Patrick says, Canntrust bought 2 minutes before Bell. Thanks to you and the crew. You were first, Rich. Hey, man. Been talking about everything since day one, man. I appreciate you guys. AYT is going to 10. Chuck says ALEF, ALEF. Is ALEF finally doing something? They've been just going down forever. Like forever. Like, is there ever going to be a bottom? Hello? Yeah, ALEF up 20%. Nice. Wow, yeah, they have been making a move. They were at 34 cents April 8th, now at 53 cents. So this is very positive for the cannabis sector. I mean, this is what we need. We've been waiting far too long for this. Far, far, far too long for this. And I mean, this is nothing. This is nothing compared to what it could be. Verge Society says AYTU Trump expected to talk about it. His COVID press release today at 6. His staff called the CEO. Trump's going to be talking about AYTU today, and apparently AYTU is going to be on the Joe Rogan show. On the Joe Rogan show.
I've heard of that. I've heard of Kramer.
Yeah, Joe Rogan's one of the bigger podcasts in the world.
Well, I want to put a set limit of 196 on it.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gone through yet.
Oh, I think it's around that price right now.
It's 188. Well,
It's at 190 right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Should I take the limit off and not sell it?
It's always the $1 million question, guys. If you're up on AYTU, do you sell it, guys, now? It's up 36%. It's always a tough question, you know? Like, it could go higher, but it's already made a huge run up, so how much higher can it go? I honestly don't know.
Yeah.
I say if you get a chance to sell it, sell it.
Just leave it alone. Leave it at 196.
Yeah, but if you get a chance to sell it, sell it.
Well, I bought it at 194.
You know, anytime you're up like that, I think it's an opportunity to sell, guys. That's my opinion. Yeah, Bitcoin's up today. Wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin stocks move in today. You guys are asking about Hive. Let's take a look at Hive. Yo, what's up, Scott? How you doing, brother? Mad respect, man. I played your song for the intro to this stream. Hive is up 8%. So it was at 17 cents March 30th, now at 33 cents. So it's doubled in the last month. Really, when it comes to trading, guys, it's just about finding lows. GBTC was at $6 April 1st, now at $8.67. So if you got into GBTC, my favorite Bitcoin-related stock, you could have made a nice 25% gain here in the last month on GBTC. And guys, within the Trading Academy, I get paid in Bitcoin. So when the price of Bitcoin goes up, I'm making money there too. So I love that. Yeah, Chiron Life Sciences is up today. I know that Neurosis will be happy with that. Patrick says, smash. I do not get to hit the smash button, people, really. Look at the tankers today. Yeah, there's a lot of tankers doing well. Pluto says credit card companies go down actually because of the default rate is up. What credit card companies are down? Visa and MasterCard are both up right now.
They were down like last week.
Yeah, they're up right now. They're up. Scott says Academy was good to me, Rich, last night and this morning. Good work, Scott. So proud of you, brother. Keep developing, brother. AJ says got me some NNVC this morning and CHK. I know both of those have been making big runs. NNVC, what's up, AJ? How you doing, bro? Having a good trading day today. NNVC at 627, down 2%, and CHK. CHK at $32 now, down 17%. Wow. Yeah, just these oil stocks right now are really taking it on the chin. Suncor at 1557. I really like this price of Suncor. Low of 957 and a high of 3456, which was in February, over the last year. So I think we're going to see a test of that $30 range again. I think Suncor's a buy, in my opinion. But they could go lower. They could definitely go lower. Sunoco, symbol SUN, Sun, they're up 3%. They had a low, wow, of $10. Holy smokes. They're now at 23 and they've been as high as 34. $10 was the buy. If you could have got it a month ago at $10, you're laughing. Up already 100% on that trade. Why is HLTH halted? Well, actually, I had the CEO on the show, and he said that they're halted, and they're just getting everything up to date. So once they get the halt removed, they'll be back up and running. So I'm sure they'll get everything addressed pretty soon, whatever it is. AJ says, no more cannabis from our portfolio. That's probably a smart idea. Cannabis has been tough, right? Cannabis has been tough. But never say never, man, because momentum is momentum, and you got to go where the momentum goes. And if the momentum goes to cannabis, then the cannabis can be really, really lucrative. Patrick says, the man Rich brings good stuff. Show your respect. Just hit the like button unless you suck that bad. Ahmed says, Namaste is reporting soon. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm a big fan of Namaste. Everybody knows that. So I'm not surprised that Namaste is making a move. And I'm a big fan of Bills, which is working with Namaste. So big fan of Dan Bilzerian. AJ says, I have 6 cannabis in my portfolio, all failures for now. Yeah, I think we all have those in our portfolio, unfortunately. But hopefully they turn around. Dan says TNK, STNG, FRO, NAT, DHT, EURN. Thank you for sharing, Dan. I'll take a look at all of them right now. TNK. Let's take a look at TNK. TNK. TK Tankers. TK Tankers. Add them to my watch list. Up 9% at $24. Nice trade. Nice trade idea there. TNK, it's added to watch list. STNG, I've been hearing that one quite a bit. STNG. And before anybody else does this, I want to make a prediction. I think that we're going to see STNG at 4%. They're doing nicely today. I do have it on my watch list. Let's take a look at FRO. That's another familiar one that I believe I have on my watch list. Let's see how they're doing today. FRO. Frontline. Yes, they're on my watch list. They're up 3% today. Frontline on the New York Stock Exchange. What else? NAT, DHT. NAT, I think I have 2. I think NAT's been doing well today. Nordic Amber Tanker up 16%. Very nice. DHT, I do have on my watch list, and DHT I have on my watch list as well. Up 7.77%. Nice. All the tankers are up. EURN, EURN. Euro NAV up 7%. I did not have that one on my watch list. Thank you for the picks. I really appreciate that. That's amazing. Great sharing right there. Infinite Buzzability says, AJ, you got to have some cannabis in your portfolio and at home. A. Petrie says, check out TOU. TOU. Tourmaline oil, $12.46 in the green. Yeah, it was at $20. Definitely, you know, a buying opportunity here. Yeah, looks good. Was as low as 6. Whew. 6 was the time to get in. My goodness. That was a fantastic entry. Amin says, Rich, try to position yourself now in refineries such as VLO. Thank you for the pick, VLO. Let me take a look at VLO. VLO, Valero Energy. I like the way you guys are thinking. You guys are very smart community here. This one looks good, buddy. Was that 31? 31 or 34? 31. It was at 31, as high as 101 in October. Now at $55. Nice trade idea. I like that one. I like that trade idea. Ahmed says, I got an email from Namaste HR. They said before April 30th. Okay, so we're going to see a report here soon. Hopefully we can see some good revenue growth. That's what's been missing for Namaste over the last few Qs. Hey, what's up, Chris? How you doing, man? What's the rumor on the streets? What's the rumor with what? Well, clearly Canntrust is going up right now. So obviously the rumor right now is that they're coming back. That's the rumor. That's why the stock's going up. But I'm not here to tell you guys to buy that stock. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always consult a financial advisor. Remember, I'm an investor just like you guys. Yes, I'm part of a trading academy. Yes, I've been on YouTube for 3 years. Yes, I've called a lot of winners, but I bleed just like everybody else. You know, like I just took a loss on an oil trade. It was my first time buying oil. It was an ETN. I didn't know it could be redeemed. I didn't think the price of oil would go to minus. I mean, these are things that happen in the market, so you can lose at any time. Even when you think you win, you're going to lose. And I was up on that trade, over $1,000, and now I'm down thousands on that trade. So I'm a big boy. I've lost before. I'll lose again. I've won before, and I'll win again. And I'm pretty confident I'll make it right back. But still sucks. Still sucks when you trade and you lose. So, you know, it's part of the game. You got to learn how to have no emotion. And even when you lose, it's part of the game. And then when you win, it's part of the game. Don't get too high when you're up. Don't get too low when you're down. That's one thing I'm really learning about trading, being part of a trading academy. Jeff Noack says, Rich, you have until April 30th on the oil ETN. Keep an eye on it to hopefully sell before the 30th. If not, you do not sell before the 30th, then you may have problems. Sell by the 29th. I can't even see it. I can't even see it. So I don't know what's up with that. I heard I'm just going to get cashed out. So we'll see what happens. It is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. You know, if I have to get cashed out, I get cashed out. You learn from it and you move on. $7,000. It's not the end of the world, but it's not nice either. Patrick says, yeah, I hope Andrew Left is getting screwed. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people thought the markets were going to go down right now, and they were betting against the markets, and the markets have been going up, right? I've been pulling out in the middle of this growth, and I've been getting into cash, and I'm still waiting for more positions to get into cash. I've been forced to get into cash on an oil position, whether I like it or not, due to being redeemed, which is something new to me. I've never been redeemed before, so definitely a learning experience. Seen a lot of everything over the last couple of years. Dan says, I just gave you all the tanker stocks. They are all going up. Hey, thank you, Dan. I appreciate you, man. Mad respect. Thoughts about CVE? CVE. Synovis Energy, $3.25. Was at 141, as high as 1082 just a few months ago. Looks good. Looks good. It's already doubled since the low here. Looks like everything for oil hit a bottom and it's bounced up and might come back a little bit lower, but I see a lot of upside too. Patrick says, so how much do you need to have to trade in Forex plus the Academy? Well, in order to join the Academy, your first month is 235 US. Every month after that is 175 US. That's your monthly to be a part of the Academy. But I have members that are making thousands of dollars a day. So, you know, it's really up to you how much you want to start with. Some guys start with 5-10 grand. Some people start with $500. Some people start with $100. That's really up to you. It's just what you can afford. Infinite Possibility says, can it be up $2? Yeah, it's nice to see Canopy making a nice move today. We need to see more of that. Infinite Possibility says, is it true that North Korea dude died? That's what I've heard. But nobody really knows if it's true. Fat Nut says, Tetro Biopharma over 20% up. Yeah, you know, today's the day for cannabis stocks. Having a nice day today, a nice surge. We need this. We need more of this. You know, Tetro Biopharma, guys, TBP. I see them up 13% right now. So nice move for a lot of cannabis companies. The question is, will this just be a one-day move, or will this be a trend that we can build and create? Because we need a trend. We don't need a one-day move in the cannabis sector. We need a trend up. Pistol Pete says, we know that this week will be a dip. A dip for what? Christopher says, Ianthus is up today. Yeah, they took a huge hit. I don't know, man. Be careful with them. NBDR up today. Yeah, I see that. Virtue Society says, hey, Rich, look at Rush Limbaugh. Front page, AYTU. Really? Holy moly. That's crazy. Patrick says, Curaleaf is a good call. Lots of cash in hand. Biotetra has some big news. Virtue Society says, rushlimbaugh.com. Lufer Boom says, what do you think of this ACB reverse split? I'm not a fan of reverse splits, but it might be the only option for Aurora at this point. YouTube won't let you share the link. It's all good, man. Don't worry about it. You don't have to share the link here. Infinite Possibility says, at Lufer Boom's ACB sucks mad nuts. Last pathetic move. Lufer Boom says, I know it's been a huge nightmare loss for me. It's been a loss for a lot of people. It's been a very big nightmare for a lot of people. Riverend Hogwash says, in the next 3 months, markets will rise 25%. Yeah, I mean, we're going up and we're in the middle of a pandemic. I mean, how crazy is that? So imagine when everybody goes back to work. You got to imagine that's going to be very bullish for the markets. Christopher says DHT, EURN, Here's some more. Hey, thank you, Chris. OET. Oakiness Eco Tank. $78. Was it 116? As low as 51. Now it's 78. Thank you for sharing your picks, man. It's beautiful. I love it when people are sharing picks. Love it, love it, love it. Gold is still down. Oil is down 23% on the day. Crazy what oil's doing. Dow Jones is up. S&P 500's up. NASDAQ's up. Global Dow's up. And pretty healthy, too. Healthy days. And thank you guys for the 40 likes. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you guys smashing when you enter the room. Chia says, home ticker is great. Pre-report 25%. Hey, thank you for sharing. Libo says, what happens with Canntrust shares after they are delisted on the New York Stock Exchange today? I believe they turn into CNTTQ. Patrick says, did you trade Forex this morning with Mendez? With Omar? I traded with Omar, and I won. I took 2 trades. I won both trades. How did he buy Canntrust? You can buy it in the US, CNTTQ. You look for me at 6 a.m. Pacific time? Patrick says, Mech tried to buy on E-Trade. They say wrong symbol. That's the Canadian symbol. The US symbol, I think, is MCERF, something like that. River End says, get in cheap AYTU, 12% gain in the next 3 days. Josie Buck says, how do you buy Canntrust? Because it's not on my TD bank. When I punch up the new symbol, it will not come up. We can't buy it in Canada? You know what? I haven't even tried, but there's people in America saying that they can buy it. King Tut says, I got INO back on April 15th. Oh, you're doing well. Good job, man. Jamie Novak says, can trade it on Webull, which usually only allows New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, etc. CNTTQ. You can trade it? Interesting. People says, Mesoblast Limited Miso, 83% recovery treatment in New York. Live, up 150% last Friday. Appreciate RTV Live. Oh, wow. Miso, eh? Thank you, people. Miso. I saw Miso make a move. What are they doing today? Miso Blast? Down 17%. Interesting. Was as high as $20, guys. As low as 3, now at 12. Miso. Keep it on your watch list. Might be an interesting one. Patrick says, I practiced with small funding, learned it all from you, Rich, and lots of practice. Hey, bro, whatever I can do to help you, man. Whatever I can do to help, bro. AJ says, with CHK and Space, I'm up 23%. STYL holding, I know, guys. Holding till August. Hey, man, don't be afraid, AJ, to take your profits when you're up, brother. King Tut says, what do you think of Boeing dumping Embraer? You know what? I'm not familiar with that news. I'd have to look into it. Asif says, please take a look at Social Capital Holding Corp, IPOC. Stock recently gone public. It's a company by Kamath. I don't know. Who is that? IPOC. I have no idea who that is. IPOC. Social Capital. $10. Okay, thank you for your pick. Duly noted. Watched. Verge Society says AYTU on track to hit 100 million shares traded before power hour. Just think about that. Yeah, who's holding it down? Jose Buck says INO going down. Yeah, I know INO's made a big move, right? So just don't be silly, guys. If you see something that you buy and it starts to come down, take your profits. Patrick Schubert says, okay, sounds good. 100 to 500 is my range. And when I join, do I get to trade with Mendez and yourself, I hope? Yeah, it's Omar. And we also trade with Antoine. And you get to trade with us. I don't trade with the mentors live on YouTube. Members have to pay to be part of that, right? Like you got to pay to get that access. But once you pay and you're a member, you get access to all of that. So yeah, I was live this morning with over 76 people trading. We all won. And we'll be live later this tonight again. And we'll be trading as a team and we'll be winning as a team. Tesla showing life. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Tesla. You guys know what I think about Tesla. Jose says NAT has been up 10 days in a row in the green and up today as well. Wow, that's crazy. Jeff Nowak says, Rich, I just checked and I cannot sell oil ETN. Shareholders of the ETN will receive a cash payment for each share equal to the price on April 23rd, the 5th business day prior to the redemption date. Yeah, which is a pretty terrible price. So I think I'm down like 50%. So yeah, I'm not excited about it. Yo, what's up, homie? V Riolo says, hey, Rich, just came across a stock called MIR. It's up 33% today. Just lost my place. Just came across a stock called MIR. It's up 33% today and up 1,650% in a month. Looks like a coronavirus stock to keep an eye on. By the way, your picks are fantastic. Hey, thanks, bro. Let me take a look at your pick, bro. MIR. Thank you for sharing, man. Sharing is caring, my friend. MIR. Medmira. Up 27% today. Medmira, eh? Wow. Traded 19 million shares. Medmira, MIR on the TSX Venture, guys. This is a screamer. Holy smokes. What the hell? This was at 4 cents, April 22nd, guys. It's now at 32 cents. So yeah, great pick, MIR. I don't know how I did not know about this one, but I know about it now. Thank you for that pick. Amazing. Amazing what this community does. MIRA. Interesting pick. Didn't even know about it. Didn't even know about it. It's part of the community, V. Thanks, man. Yeah, Jeff, I read all that on the oil ETF, bro. So I'm just chilling, waiting for my cash and choked about it, but whatever. It is what it is. Patrick says, ACB sucks. Why are you guys still talking about them guys? They lie, and I knew the stock when they shorted you, your peg. Luke says gold is the obvious bet. Yeah, I mean, I think we're all very bullish on gold right now. But I think we should also be bullish on oil because oil's at all-time low. So you want to buy low, sell high, and I don't see oil going anywhere. Yeah, we were trading. We were trading live, Patrick, but we were trading live with the Academy, not on YouTube. Hey, thank you, Patrick. Naveed says, bought NAT last week for a short term while oil storage is low. It's up huge since then. Hey, man, nice trade. Thoughts on aviation stocks? I'm not really bullish on them until I see what their reports look like. I want to see what their financials look like. I want to see what their revenues look like. That's the thing that's going to really matter for those. And I'm anticipating they're going to be horrific. Jose says, Rich should buy SU now. I don't like to tell you guys when to buy. That's up to you guys. I like it. I'm thinking about buying it. I haven't bought it yet. Thinking about buying it. And I like it. So would I buy them now? No. Will I buy them soon? Yeah. Definitely thinking about buying them soon. But I think I might wait because I want to see if they go lower. Hey, Robert, how you doing, bro? Robert, were you live this morning watching Omar trade? Because we traded with Omar today, and I did 2 trades, won both trades, and very successful morning. Everybody won this morning with Omar. So I don't know if you were there this morning, but I know you were working probably, so you probably missed it. But 2 trades with Omar this morning, 2 for 2. So very happy about that. And I will be trading tonight, late night with Antoine, and we will have a training for members tonight, 10 p.m. Eastern and 7 p.m. Pacific for all new members of the Academy. We have a lot of new members, so we will have holding a training tonight for all of you guys. Hope you guys can be there. And we'll be trading after that with Antoine live tonight, catching more pips. But we have members now that are making $1,000 or more every day trading within the Academy. We're really mastering the art of trading, and we're getting better at it every day, and we're going to continue to. Robert says, sorry, Rich, I was working at my office, but I will be on tonight. Hey, don't worry, brother. Keep working, man. Infinite Possibility says, wow, MIR, going to put that on my watch list. Yeah, there's so many companies, guys, that are moving every day. The power of our community is the power of us to be able to talk about what's happening, when it's happening, live and in real time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Franco says, wheat stocks exploding. Be bullish on wheat stocks. I still hold all my wheat stocks, so I'm not bullish on wheat. I think this is a nice day. We need more days like this, but I'm not going to just get excited because of one green day. I've seen too many days like this, and then the very next day goes right back down. So I feel great about it, but we need more than one day. One day does not make a trend. So it's a nice day. It's a nice bounce for the sector, but we need more. And we need more, and we need it to be consistent. I mean, even Aurora's up 5%, so this is good. I mean, everything's up. AYTU right now at $1.97. AYTU's at $1.97. You're selling at $1.98? Yeah, so you sold. Take a look. You must have sold. CNTTQ, guys, up 39% right now. We got people making money right now, guys, as we speak. We have members making money as we speak. Valens is up 7% today. Afria is up almost 6% today. HMMJ ETF up over 5% today. My pick Bex, which I told you guys would be a major player, up 4.5% today with like no volume. Really weird. What else? Let's take a look at marijuana index. I wonder if they even show Canntrust anymore now that they've been delisted. Does anyone even know that Canntrust is still even trading? Wow. Yeah, so I remember telling you guys that we found the bottom when the Canadian index was under 100. Right now, the Canadian index is back to 129. So it's definitely been coming up from the bottom, guys. Yeah, guys, they're still showing CNTTQ on marijuana index, so you must be able to buy it. CNTTQ up 39%. Meta up 15%. XLY up 12%. MedMen up 11%. Hexo up 10%. Canopy Growth up 9%. Tilray up 7%. Afria up 6%. Aurora up 5%. And Kronos Group up 4%. CNTTQ leading the way, guys. It's the #1 symbol on marijuana index. So you'd think that you'd be able to buy it. It's traded 4.24 million shares, up 39% today. It's up 2,000%, guys. 2,000%. Right in our face. I want to put on a song here. Shout out to Scott Norris, one of our members in the Trading Academy. I'm a big fan of your music. And I got a request to play It's All Right. Here it is. Robert, you were the one, right, Robert? You like this song? This is for you, Robert. Shout out to Scott Norris.
And the windows in my eyes, and the air is hard to breathe. I can see your sunshine as your heart beats for me. Oh, yeah. The sun shines on my face and the mood that takes control. All my innocence is lost as I'm losing self-control. But it's alright. Alright. When I'm with you, it's alright. Alright. 'Cause my heart beats for you. When I see my own life and I'm holding on and great, but I still get up myself just to face another day. It's alright. I was born with innocence and sinless purity. As we grow, we find ourselves in who we're meant to be. But it's alright. Alright. When the sun shines on my face. It's alright. Alright. With you this time and place. When I see my own life and I'm holding on and great, but I still get up myself just to face another day.
Oh, Down the Road. You want to hear Down the Road?
And the mood still takes control.
Did you find it on my podcast, Robert? This is Down the Road.
When you look in my eyes, I see no doubt from you. And then you stare, then I know the trouble.
Smash the like button, guys. Subscribe for more updates. We'll bring you the biggest news every single day.
I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. I will see right through. I can't lie to you. Can you find in your heart a bigger picture than right now? Ooh. If you give me one chance, I give all my love to you. You know I would now. I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. No, I will see things through. I can't lie to you. To you, yeah. I've seen most things your way. Can you try to see some mine? Try it. Makes the blame inside girl. Try to look at your parts. You know you should now. I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. No, I will see this through. I can't lie to you. To you. You, yeah. Wow. To you. I won't lie. I won't lie. I can't lie to you. I won't lie to you. I won't lie. I can't lie. I won't lie to you.
Nice, AJ. Good work, man. I'm happy you made it back. So, guys, take a look at TDOC. Since I'm, always bringing you guys winners, I brought you guys TDOC when TDOC was at $100. Teladoc Health. I told you guys they were the #1 telemedicine stock in the world. I told you guys that they had huge upside, huge potential to be a massive winner, and they were the #1 telemedicine stock in the world. They have now doubled since I brought that pick to you guys at $100. They are now at $200. Congratulations to everyone who took advantage of this move on TDoc, telemedicine, Teladoc Health, TDOC. I brought it to you at $100. It is now at $200. Another 100% winner, which I brought to you first at $100. And you guys can even see all of my picks on richtvlive.com and just go to picks. You'll see my picks there. It's like crazy how many picks I've dropped that have been huge winners. It's like mind-boggling, actually. It's mind-boggling. Absolutely mind-boggling. So just it's the power of the people, man, trying to bring good winners to the community. Teladoc Health right now at $198, guys. I brought it to you at $100. It went as high as $203 today. Okay, it's high ever. So congratulations to anyone who took advantage of this move on Teladoc Health. Just been a steamroller, just climbing every single day, climbing higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And people are like, I don't want to buy that stock. I want to get more shares of a cheap company. I want to get penny stocks. And I'm like, why? Why wouldn't you just double your money? If you had $1,000 and you bought Teladoc Health at $100 and it went to 200, your $1,000 would be worth now $2,000. Now, if you took that $1,000 and bought some penny stock and that penny stock went down, you could lose all your money. Sometimes it's better off to go with better companies, guys, and bigger companies. And it's not about what the price is. It's how much they're going to move. If they move up 100%, you make 100% of your money. So it doesn't matter what the price is, guys. So you got to get this out of your head that you want more shares. That means absolutely nothing. It means absolutely nothing. How much is it moving up? How much is it moving up? If you got $100,000 to invest and you want to invest in something and you invest in Amazon, and Amazon goes from 2,400, wherever it's at today, to $5,000. Your $100,000 is going to go from $100,000 to $200,000. So you might as well buy Amazon. So it's not about what the price is how much is it going to go up? Since 2017, when I started my show, Amazon is up like 500%. When I started my show in 2017, and I was very bullish on Amazon then, Amazon was at $400. Amazon now is at 2,400. So it's actually up 600%. That's how much Amazon is up in 3 years. 600%. And I remember when I was talking to people about Amazon 3 years ago, everyone was saying it was too expensive. Now it's at 2,400. Is it still too expensive? Good companies are going to go up. It's not about what the price is how much is it going to go up? And can you afford those shares? As long as you can buy even one share, if that one share goes up 100%, you double your money. So you got to get out of this mentality of less is more, because it's not true. More is more in the stock market. Bigger and better is always safer, and bigger and better always gives you a better chance of winning. Not investing in penny stocks. Penny stocks are very risky, and 99% of the time you're going to lose. That's just a fact, and that's from experience, guys. I've been in the penny stock game and the big board game for years. I've won on both. I've lost on both, and I'm learning that it's much better. You're much better off as an investor investing in the big boards. Yeah, Chipotle's been a beast, King Tut. Beast. Great example. Chipotle CMG. $886. Holy smokes. They went to 400 in March. They've doubled in a month. What the hell, man? Jeez. What is going on with Chipotle? Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Wow, NAT is exploding, guys. NAT is at $7.04. It's now up 20% on the day. Canntrust is retracing a little bit. It's at 48.5 cents, up 27% on the day. Did the shorters just get wind of it? Tilt up 14% at 36.5 cents. Just looking at all the markets and what is up today and what is moving and what is popping. Sunoco is making a nice move, up 4.6% today. All right, guys, so that's kind of what I had for you this morning and what I have for you today for now. If there's any other big breaking news, I'll let you know. But I wanted to come live and let you guys know that Canntrust is trading in America. It is up over 2,000%, and it has been an absolute beast on a run. I'm not telling you to buy it, but letting you know, CNTTQ, guys, it's on a move. Stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready. This is your boy, Rich, from Rich to Be Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners, and we bring them to you first. I do believe that oil goes way higher. Long term, short term, yeah, it can go lower. I do believe gold is going to continue to climb. However, I am also looking for a pullback to get into some gold stocks. My favorite 3 gold stocks you've been watching, you know, Nova Gold Resources, been on fire. Kinross Gold, been on fire. Barrick Gold, been on fire. All 3 are red today, but I want deeper red. So still waiting for a position in those 3 right now because I'm in cash, but I want all 3. I do. And markets are hot right now, and they may continue to be because, remember, guys, the market is being stimulated by governments that are literally printing money to stimulate the market. So there's a lot of stimulus money, and that's pumping the market up. So shorters are running for cover, and that's why the market's going higher right now. So Be careful, guys. Try to stay in cash. Cash is king. We're in unprecedented times. We're in historic times. Nobody really knows what the future holds. Buy low, sell high. Invest in the best. The best is blessed. Canntrust still alive and kicking up 2,000% in the last 2 weeks. So I'll keep you guys updated if there's anything else I hear, anything else I see. AJ says, I know we had to report first quarter 2020 financial results on May 11th. Interesting. Chuck says, Chipotle, Kramer is pumping it. Yeah, he is. Pipo says, Miso has over 700 million market cap and on the move. Infinite says, imagine if you have 500,000 shares of a 1 cent stock and you wait 5 years for it to go to $1 or $5, you're a millionaire. It's true, but that barely ever happens. So, I don't know, you might be waiting forever. It's like trying to buy lottery tickets. Not everybody wins. Jeff Nowak says, sold AYTU and Medi Labs today. Could not resist. AYTU was in pre-market where it soared early today. Yeah, hey, brother, take your money and run, Jeff. That's the way to trade, bro. So thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Canntrust, still alive. CNTTQ. Stay tuned.